Follow the steps on how to make a dotted line in Photoshop. Let's start by activating the pen tool and change the path to shape. Also set the color and thickness of the stroke. Now start drawing a line. Press Ctrl J to duplicate and divide into 3. Select a line layer. Reactivate the pen tool and select the dashed line here. Open more options to set the dash and gap. I will choose another line and make different variations. You can follow it. Save the custom stroke that has been created if you often use it. You can also make a dashed line with the curvature pen tool. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.